Welcome to Food Fanatix. Soak half cup moong dal for half an hour. Add 3 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon ghee. Mix well. Knead with water. Cover with a kitchen cloth and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash and boil the moong dal for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the dal and let it cool. Slightly grind the dal. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, and mix well. Knead the dough. Take a small amount of the dough and roll it out. Add a teaspoon of the dal mixture and fold as shown. Lightly dust the surface and roll out the dough again. Makes around 25 kachoris. Deep fry on medium heat until golden brown. You can serve with aloo tarkari. Link in description on how to make aloo tarkari.